Hello mga ka-organic! Today, I'll be answering some questions regarding the Face Brightening 5-in-1 Skincare Kit. So, I got this first question. Yes, the Face Brightening by Organic Nature is FDA approved, meaning we complied with the necessary safety and quality standards by FDA. So, all of us consumers can take this product with confidence as to its safety. Second question. The Face Brightening 5-in-1 Skincare Kit has 5 products. First is the face soap, second is the toner, third is the serum, fourth is the day cream, and fifth is the night repair therapy treatment. So how do we use these 5? In the morning, we have to wash our face with the face soap, and then we apply the toner to prep our skin for the serum, which is the third step, and then the last step will be the day cream, which has SPF 50 para before you go out in the sun, protected ka na. That's in the morning. For night, we again do the step 1 to 3 except we replace the day cream with the night repair therapy treatment para naman ma-moisturize yung skin natin, and when we wake up, ayan na, nag-glowing na ang ating skin. The whitening ingredients included in this kit are glutathione, alpha-arbutin, niacinamide, kojic acid, and aloe vera. All together will help promote giving us a brighter, fairer, luminous skin. We use vitamin E in this product as well to enhance the moisture in the skin. It also protects the skin from UV radiation. So this vitamin contributes to the skincare kit's protective and hydrating properties. AHA ingredients in this kit provides a healthy glow. How? Kasi nakaka-remove to ng dead skin cells. And also, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So, important ang AHA in every skincare kit, lalo na kung gusto mo mag-brighten ang skin tone. And then, we also has BHA ingredient in this kit, which is the salicylic acid, which helps reduce excess oil naman. And para naman medyo mawala ang mga open pores natin. So, overall, it will give us our skin a smoother and more flawless finish. Yes, the day cream actually has an SPF which will protect us from the sun by 97%. Now, this is the last question. Siyempre naman, pati naman ang mga lalaki may skin, di ba? So, both men and women can use this product. If you want to have a flawless skin, kahit na ano pa ang gender mo, why not try this?